Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the video today. My name is Elizabeth, and in this video I want to share with you one of my favorite websites that I use to earn money, and it is called Slice the Pie. I've talked about it a couple times before in the past, and I wanted to show you just how easy it is to do and how you can earn money using this website. This is one of the websites that I use to make a little extra cash here and there. It is not it's not my way of making a full-time income. If you're interested in that, you can check out the first link in the description. That's where I make a majority of my income. But I use these other websites just to easily make a little extra money, whether it's to save up for something or to pay a bill. I actually use some of these websites, and they make me enough money to pay one or two of my bills every month. So the good thing about these kind of websites is they're super easy to do. Just spend a little bit of time every day and you're going to accumulate a lot of money, especially because they're so easy to do. So let me show you this one. This is called Slice the Pie. And I discovered this website a while back, and I've really enjoyed it. It's actually a little more interesting than your typical survey site or paid-to-click kind of site. You're able to give your opinion on brands and products and music, and you really influence things that you're going to see in day-to-day life, whether it be a commercial or products that are available for you to purchase. So I kind of like that aspect of it. It's very enjoyable to do, super easy. So here it is. I've already logged into my account, and as you can see over here, I've already at this point accumulated $5.70, and I believe the cash out at Slice the Pie is $10. So I'm a little over halfway to the minimum needed to cash out. And here's what you do. Basically, you're going to review different things. Now, here's what they have today. This changes, by the way. So here we have music, and this is going to give me the standard amount of money, which is it can be 4 cents, it can be 5, 6, it kind of just depends. And then these over here are bonuses. This is going to give you a little bit more money. There are not going to be as many of them, and they come around every so often. Okay? So here we have TV series where you review short promo clips, and audio branding, review voiceovers and short audio clips. And then over here, the Lucky Dip, it's going to be one of these three things. You just click on it and it'll give you one of them. I just tend to just pick one I want to do. So let's click TV series. Okay, so the way that this works is when you're reviewing a film, it's a little different than some of the other surveys or the other reviews that you're going to do. You have this slide over here, and you're going to rate it as you watch the film. The little smiley face is going to change. Obviously up here to 10 is better. Down here it's going to be more of a frowny face. Anyway, you're just going to scroll up and down using your arrow buttons to rate the film, the clip as you're watching it. So let me show you. I'll start the film. So you're just going to watch the film, clip, rate it. As you can see, that my slide over to the right is I'm moving it. You want to keep moving it, even if you're just going up and down one, so that it knows that you're continuing to rate. So I'm not going to make you keep watching, so I'm going to I'll come back whenever we're moving on to the next part. Okay, so now I finished watching that particular clip, and I was rating it the entire time. And whenever the clip is done, it'll bring you to this page. And here all you're going to do is in this box you're going to tell them what you think about the overall film, and everything from the storyline, images, the actors, just kind of how you feel about it. Okay, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to rate it 1 out of 10. That's pretty self-explanatory. And then they're going to ask you these questions as well. How likely would you be to recommend this TV series to a friend or family? You're going to rate 0 to 10. And then after seeing this TV promo, how likely would you be to watch this show? 0 to 10. So this is pretty much the standard page after watching one of these film clips. Super easy. You just write a little blurb about what you think. Okay, and so what you're going to do when you write up here, you want to make sure that you're writing coherent sentences that are helpful, because you're going to see this bar right here start to change to orange, and you want to fill it all the way up, okay? So you're going to start writing however you feel about this film. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to stop right there real quick and see how the bar is now orange halfway through. It wants me to keep going, of course, and continue writing my thoughts, and it'll eventually fill all the way up. Okay, once it fills all the way up, you'll be able to hit submit. Until you do that, they're not going to accept you. So you can't just write, I like this film, or I don't like this film. You know, you have to write something that makes sense and that they're going to be able to use. Okay, that's just one of my tips. So I'm going to finish writing this out, and then I will we'll come back and get to the rest of it. Okay, I'm back. I've filled out the box, and as you can see, the orange bar is all the way to the end. So now I'm just going to rate it, and then if I would recommend it to family or friends, and then would I be willing to watch this show. Okay, and as you can see, I can now hit submit. And it says, thank you, well done, your review of Take 2 was successful and you earned 14 cents for this review. And then it moves on to the very next one. So you can either continue or you can go back to the review page and do a different one. Okay, that's how easy it is. Now I'm up to $5.98. So you can also refer people in this program. So if you have friends and family that you think would enjoy this kind of work and who doesn't want to earn a little extra money? Then you can obviously refer them and then make a little money as well from what they do. So that's it. That's how easy it is. And like I said, these things change all the time. So every day you come back, they're going to be something different. Music is almost always here, but a lot of times there's products or brands or fashion, so that you'll be shown say a dress or maybe some shoes, and they'll ask you your opinion on the style and the coloring and the price point you think it should sell at. But anyway, just really kind of cool things like that I think is a little unique and a little different from your typical survey sites. So that's why I wanted to share this with you today, and I hope you got a lot out of this video. And if you want to sign up for Slice the Pie, it's free to do, and I'll leave a link in the description. You can sign up and get started and see if you like this kind of work and see how much money you can make as well. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because this is the kind of the videos that I do, as well as showing you how to make a full-time income online. So hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.